Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to the last week of the daily market outlook video for July. We're going to jump into the charts here on the DXY, the Euro USD, and the GBP USD pair. But first, we jump over to the economic calendar because we do have a doozy of a week coming up this week. So Monday, obviously no news there for Monday. Today, we have the Euro. We've got the German CPI. And we have Spanish CPI coming out. Moving into the New York session, we have a little bit of USD news there with consumer confidence and job openings coming out. But obviously moving into Wednesday, which is the big one here, we have Euro core CPI year on year coming out. We have USD non-farm employment change. And then we have so that's all just in the start of the London session. In the start of the US, we've got the non-farm employment change. We've got the employment cost index coming out. And then we have this one, the federal funds rate and the FOMC statement, which should cause a fair bit of volatility in the market. So leading up to this, we could see a fair bit of volatility sloshing around backwards and forwards. Then moving into Thursday, we have GBP money policy and the official bank rate coming out of GBP. Then we have US unemployment claims coming out of the New York session there on Thursday. And then obviously Friday, first Friday of the month, we have NFP. So pretty busy week this week with news. We'll see a fair bit of volatility. So let's jump over the chart and have a look, but we need to keep that in mind. So Dixie at the moment, ultimately, on a weekly chart, has really just been moving sideways. We can see here, very consolidated, short bursts of good price action that's tradable, but ultimately most weeks very choppy, which is not easy for us to trade. We can see here in the start of July, we did wick down and take both of these previous weekly lows. And have since consolidated back up. Coming down in here on the daily. Daily is probably the only clean chart we've got at the moment where we can see here we have started to create a bit of a downtrend. We have come up into this daily imbalance area here, which we are currently sitting in at the moment. So it'll be interesting to see what comes of that. So overall, like our vibe here is bearish, but still ultimately very consolidated. 4 hour is practically giving us nothing. Like we can see here, very consolidated. We do have that wick low in the middle of July there, and then basically consolidated sideways, have a little bit of a push up as of the start of this week, taking out these highs into that imbalance area. So would be looking for a nice rejection from there if we are going to continue to trade lower. And then down on the hour, still not very much there. Very consolidated, very choppy. If anything, as traders, we need to be able to identify when things like this are happening. We definitely do not want to be trading that. That's how we lose accounts. So identifying this is just not the area to be trading. We have big news this week. Hopefully we could see a little bit of a big push in one direction, giving us a little bit of market guidance anyway, especially being NFP on Friday, and then we've got 3 full weeks in August there that we can look to trade. So we get Fed fund rate out of the way on Wednesday. We have NFP on Friday, giving us 2 big injections of hopefully liquidity and giving us a direction in the market. And then we can look to trade that for the next couple of weeks in August and hopefully get some clear direction. So ultimately here at the moment, again, daily, we are looking bearish out of this imbalance area, but it's definitely one of those ones to consider. Is it best off just waiting, letting the market tell us what it's going to do with the news this week and running from there? Euro, very similar, except for we have obviously back here on the daily, we had the same imbalance area there marked out. But we have since broken that. We do have a lower, I think, weekly imbalance area down here that we could come down and visit. Probably very improbable, though. I think it's going to be mainly determined about the news coming out of the Dixie that's going to move the euro at this stage. But yeah, we have broken those areas, possibly looking to come down lower into here and then waiting to see what comes of that. But daily, 4 hour, again, nothing much there on the 4 hour, very consolidated like last week. And then we have had this sudden drop at the start of this week, obviously preempting some preemptive moves there coming into the FOMC on Wednesday. So yeah, basically we are 4 hour bearish. If you want to, be looking for trades, you could definitely be trading the 4 hour structure here, looking bearish. But again, remember, we do have some big news coming up in the next day or so. So again, my suggestion would be to wait that out, wait out the news, and then see what comes from it. Yeah, so 4 hour, and then over on GU, we can go out to the daily. We had this area here marked out for a possible long. Obviously, that's now been swept. We do have this, again, weekly, same as the euro, weekly imbalance area down here. So this weekly imbalance that come up and pushed and caused this break. So we do have one down lower. Again, for me, it doesn't make sense for us to pull all the way back down here to then go long again. But although be it improbable, it could definitely still happen. But we do have the volatility coming with those news events that could spark that. Daily is just looking pretty bearish. It's just pushing down. 4 hour, again, 4 hour very bearish. If you are looking to trade, then definitely just be looking for continuation patterns here on the 4 hour until obviously we get a trend change. So just chasing your lower highs and lower lows on the way down, looking for those discounted areas to then run them down to the next low. But again, for me, it's definitely a wait and see thing. I'll be jumping on again tomorrow, doing another market outlook video tomorrow in the lead up to the FOMC. So we'll see what the markets have done there and see if it's lining up for anything that we could preempt. But anyway, thank you again for your support. Thanks for jumping on these videos. Please give us a like if you like the content and want to see me keep running with it. And I'll see you again on tomorrow's daily market outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.